Okay, so here are the other popcorn wagons that we want to have restored. So just give a quick video. I know it's not the best quality, so please forgive that. Outside of one. I know the lighting is not the best. It's got stuff on the inside. But we have another one here. I'm trying to get back to give you a better idea. Like roof work needs to be done. I think the wood is in pretty good shape, but we can look at that later. Let's see. So hopefully, see like some wood damage there. Okay, come around. Here's another one where the front axle came off and that needs to be repaired. And let's go around. So this front axle needs to be repaired. Let's see if I can show you. That wood is broken. We got another one here. And we got some spare wheels that we can switch out. Metal work on the roof is bent. So stuff like that we need to get fixed. So anyway, it's a real quick video. I just want to show you some of the projects that I want to bring up to Tennessee and get working on them. So it's some work that needs to be done. And if you're up for it, we can talk about it. And hopefully get all these restored and looking great. All right, bye.